Hey there! Struggling to get your finances in order? Don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a bulletproof financial plan in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, set your financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a house, or building an emergency fund, having clear goals gives you direction. Write them down and be specific. Next up, track your income and expenses. This might sound boring, but trust me, it's crucial. Use apps like Mint or YNAB to make this process easier. Knowing where your money goes helps you cut unnecessary spending and save more. Now it's time to create a budget. Break down your expenses into categories like housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. Allocate a portion of your income to each category and stick to it. Remember, the 50-30-20 rule is a great starting point. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Speaking of savings, always pay yourself first. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts right after you get paid. This way, you're not tempted to spend that money. And don't forget, building an emergency fund is key. Aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. This will give you a financial cushion in case of unexpected events. Finally, review and adjust your plan regularly. Life changes and so should your financial plan. Make it a habit to revisit your goals and budget every few months, and there you have it. A foolproof financial plan in just minutes. Take control of your finances today and watch your future self thank you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.